Hi, my name is Elliot Finney. I'm an IT specialist here at Weiser, and today I'm going to show you our 3D printer. 3D printers are best for printing mainly plastic, but did you know they can also be used to print rubber, or TPU for a more technical term? This works great for us as a medical simulation center, as the larger plethora of parts are usually made from one of these two materials. Luckily, a few of our team members are already hobbyist 3D printers, so to test the feasibility of printing parts before diving into a full printer purchase, we first bought some TPU and PLA filaments and sent those home with our team members to see what could be produced. The results of the initial test prints turned out so well, some parts approaching as little as 1/10 the price to produce, that in December of 2025, Weiser purchased a Bamboo Labs H2S combo system with AMS2 Pro. We decided on this printer specifically, though it is generally a bit pricier, as it has amazing features, like best-in-class inbuilt auto-calibration, multicolor printing support, and is generally very plug-and-play, so to say. These features allow us to spend less time tinkering with the 3D printer itself to try and optimize results, and more time on designing or iterating on parts we can produce. We also created a simple climate-controlled environment for our printer to reduce humidity levels and potential issues even further. Most 3D printing materials readily absorb water out of the air, which leads to poor print quality. To avoid this, we run a dehumidifier in the printer's closed room to ensure low humidity. Check back later for where we dive a bit deeper into the creation of some of our specific 3D printing projects. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe.